Welcome to the channel. Today, we're looking at an amazing wired video doorbell and intercom system. This isn't your average doorbell, it's a complete home security upgrade. Featuring a stunning 1080p HD camera with a wide 160-degree viewing angle, you'll get crystal clear video, day or night, thanks to built-in infrared night vision. This system also boasts a sleek 10-inch touchscreen monitor, making it incredibly user-friendly. The system offers multiple unlocking methods for unparalleled convenience. Unlock remotely via the Tuya Smart app or directly from the monitor itself. Motion detection automatically triggers snapshots or video recording, storing everything securely on an included 32GB SD card. You can easily review recordings anytime, anywhere, via your smartphone. This isn't just about security, it's about convenience. See, hear, and speak to visitors from anywhere using the Tuya Smart app. Never miss a delivery or leave a guest waiting. And with 3 viewing options, directly from the camera, the monitor, and your smartphone, you're always in control. Setup is surprisingly easy. It's a simple 4-wire system, perfect for apartments, villas, or offices. This system supports both surface and flush mounting. The monitor supports a 2.4G Wi-Fi network for seamless integration with your smart home. It's also compatible with most 12 volts electronic locks. This is a powerful, versatile, and surprisingly affordable home security solution. It comes with a 30-day refund/replacement policy, giving you peace of mind. Don't miss out on this opportunity to enhance your home security. Subscribe for more tech reviews and be sure to hit that like button.